Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. I know you're busy, so let me cover your dinner tonight. Mildly flavored chana dal cooked with tomatoes and spices makes it a perfect everyday dal recipe. This recipe is easy and will satisfy even the biggest person on the table. So let's go and make it happen. So first I boil my pre-soaked chana dal with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you want to make it a quick dinner, you can do it in a pressure cooker as well. But I prefer to use a pot and then cook it until your chana dal is completely tender. So now in a separate pan, heat oil, then add some chopped onions. And then start cooking until onions get nice golden color. And then add ginger and garlic. I'm using some ginger paste and minced garlic. You can use fresh ginger and garlic as well. So just saute for like a minute or two and then add some cumin seeds, zira. Let it splatter for a little while and then add chopped tomatoes. Start mixing and cook your tomatoes for like 2-3 minutes until they started getting soft, and then start adding your seasoning. Coriander powder, dhania masala, red chili powder, and this is amchur powder or katai powder, and season it with salt. Then mix all the seasoning with tomatoes and cook for like minute or two again. Then add half a cup of water, mix again, and then bring the flame on the slowest setting and then let it cover and let this tomato and masala mixture cook completely until oil separates and comes on top. Mix everything again and then add your cooked chana dal. Then stir to combine until tomatoes and masala mixture is completely combined with your dal. Then add garam masala powder, mix it again, and then I added dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. Just put it in between your palms and crush it and add into your dal. Then I add a little bit of water. My masala was on the drier side, so just mix everything and then add some chopped cilantro and save few for the final decoration. Then stir and simmer for 6 to 8 minutes so your dal get infused with all the cooked gravy and masala mixture, and the consistency should be medium, neither thick nor thin. And then you can serve it with boiled rice or zira rice, or even with chapatis or naan as well. Easy, healthy and delicious, everyday kind of a dish. You probably have all the ingredients in your pantry, as this recipe requires very basic ingredients. So what are you waiting for? Get in your kitchen and make this delicious chana dal recipe today. And if you try it, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family and click on the links to check my previous videos.